Hello guys, here we have question number 27 from Check Your Understanding of the chapter Rotation from Pathfinder. So let's start. A dumbbell constructed by affixing two identical small balls at the ends of a thin light rod rests aligned along a longitude on a frictionless horizontal floor. Now a constant force F, always directed towards the east, is applied on one of the balls. Find the maximum tensile force developed in the rod. So here, let's assume that the mass of each ball is m and the length of the rod is L. So here, first of all, we can see that the force is always directed towards the east. So it will have a constant acceleration in the x direction. So from here, the acceleration AC of the center of mass we get is 2m AC equals to F. So from here, AC equals to F by 2m. Now let's assume that the center of mass has moved by some distance and the rod has rotated by an angle of theta. So here consider this position. So here the force F is acting in this direction. So torque about center of mass in this position is F times L by 2 cos theta equals to 2 times m times L square over 4 times alpha, which is alpha. Here alpha is the angular acceleration. So from here the alpha we get is F cos theta by ml, which is equals to omega d omega by d theta. So from here, rearranging and creating a differential equation, what we get is omega d omega equals to cos theta d theta times F over ml. Now we can integrate this from, let's say, from theta equals to 0 to some theta, and omega will change from 0 to some omega. So from here what we get is omega square by 2 equals to F by ml times sin theta. So the omega at any position, general position, is with as a function of theta, it is F by ml times sin theta times 2. Now to find tension in the rod, we can use the center of mass frame because it will simplify it to a lot of extent. So let's assume that here the tension in this rod is T, and here we are observing with respect to the center of mass. So here a pseudo force will be applied on this, which is MAC. So from here the equation we can write along the radial direction. What we get is T plus MAC sin theta minus F sin theta is equals to mr omega square, and r here is L by 2 times omega squared. So substituting the values of omega and AC here, what we get is T plus m times AC is F by 2m times sin theta minus F sin theta equals to m times L by 2 times omega square, which is 2f sin theta by ml. So what we get after solving all this is that T equals to 3 by 2f sin theta, and we have been asked the maximum value of this, which we can clearly see, that is when sin theta equals to 1 and the value T maximum is equals to 3f by 2. So yeah, that's the final answer. Thank you.